Hello, and thank you for choosing Stonehouse Nameplates. We're delighted you've selected one of our handcrafted pieces. In this short video, we'll guide you through how to securely fit your new house nameplate. Start by choosing the perfect position for your nameplate. Once you're happy with the placement, use a pencil to mark the drill holes on your wall. Next, drill into the wall using an 8mm masonry drill bit. Choose a high-quality adhesive suitable for both exterior use and natural stone. Something like Tech 7 works perfectly. Apply adhesive to the back of the nameplate and add a little into each of the drill holes for extra hold. Carefully position your nameplate. Press it into place and make any final adjustments. Your Stonehouse nameplate is now fitted and ready to be admired for years to come. Thanks again for your purchase. We're proud to be a part of your home.